Ethics as a Design Science. One Community Weekly Progress Update, number 505.
One Community is a 501c3 nonprofit organization. We are creating open source and free shared blueprints and resources, tools and tutorials, and do-it-yourself instructions for highest good living. Creating solution models that create additional solution creating models in the service of all life on this planet.
My name is Jay Sable, and I'm the Executive Director of the One Community 501c3 nonprofit organization. One Community is bringing together people with the consciousness and the desire for the highest good of all life on this planet to build sustainable, regenerative, and self-replicating teacher demonstration hubs as a pathway to global sustainability. And this is our November 27th, 2022 edition of our Weekly Progress Update. And today what I want to talk about is ethics as a design science. And everything you see happening in the background of this video are our plans for open source and free shared teacher demonstration communities, villages, cities, and hubs designed to create a better world for everyone and to become self-replicating because we're making them easy enough, affordable enough, and we'll demonstrate them as attractive enough to spread on their own. And the open source process is our foundation for making them easy enough and affordable enough and building one community and demonstrating what's possible with the combination of a resource-based economy and combining our open source plans for all the physical foundations of sustainability with the emotional foundations of sustainability is our way of demonstrating it's attractive enough for the idea to spread on its own. And so when creating this, we put a lot of time into thinking about, well, what's the best way to create something like this? And so one of our highest values, and so when we talk about ethics as a design science, our number one value is living and creating for the highest good of all. Now, that doesn't mean that we've got it all figured out, that we know like this is the highest good of all, this is the way it's got to be done. It means that we're working to the best of our ability to do what we feel is in the highest good of all people and life on this planet, and open sourcing and free sharing our plans for that. And we're open sourcing and free sharing it, so for people that disagree with us and think it could be done better or have better ideas or different ideas, great, do it differently. That's totally fine. Our idea, though, is to really make it a point to make every decision we can with an ethical foundation. And so our top three values are based on that. They are highest good living, highest good for all people in life on this planet, open source, and sustainability. Like those are our top three values, and we're applying those to all the foundations of a sustainable civilization and open sourcing and free sharing everything so that other people can as well. And so the physical foundations of sustainability that we're focused on are food, energy, and housing. And those foundations are designed to build a platform so that people have their basic needs met and then can spend their time and energy, if they want to, at least in our case, helping to create and create more open source teacher demonstration villages and teaching even more people how to do what it is that we're doing. And so we're not just giving a person a fish, we're not just teaching a person to fish, we're teaching teachers how to teach fishing. And so the physical foundations build that foundation, that platform. And then the emotional foundations that go along with those, so we have food, energy, housing, are fulfilled living practices, what we call highest good approaches to education, economics, and true earth stewardship. And so putting all these things together is creating the comprehensive, sustainable, radically sustainable environment where we will demonstrate our idea of highest good approaches to living and making every decision we possibly can from an ethical foundation. And what it looks like to apply ethics as a design science to the complete human living environment to create a way of living that we think will be objectively better than the way that most people are living right now. And we think most people agree with us. And so by making it easy enough, affordable enough, and demonstrating that and showing how much more attractive it is than the way that people are living right now, the idea can spread its own. And then through working in cooperation and collaboration with other organizations, creating these teacher demonstration hubs designed to teach others how to create teacher demonstration hubs as well, and using them as incubator spaces and training spaces to teach more and more people how to go out and teach fishing, which is radical sustainability, and how to build these comprehensive environments built on this ethical philosophy of how can we help each other? How can we be a brotherhood, a sisterhood of people working together to create a better world for everybody and achieve that critical mass, that tipping point of involvement and participation by demonstrating how awesome it is compared to the struggle in the way that a lot of people are living right now? How can we do that to reach that tipping point and that critical mass so that we can positively and permanently impact every single person and all living things on this planet? That is achieving the sustainable civilization goal that we are focused on. And One Community is just the first to do that. And so when we talk about ethics as a design science, if you go to our website, you can look at every single one of our values is broken down there. And we've outlined exactly like what are the questions that we ask if we get stuck to keep our compass true on this goal of living and creating for the highest good of all and open sourcing and free sharing all these physical and emotional foundations to create teacher demonstration hubs focused on that. And everything you see happening in the background of this video, each of these components, that's what we're all about. And we're a 100% volunteer organization, we're a nonprofit organization, we're a non-governmental organization, and we're creating this as a pathway to global sustainability for everybody, to a world that truly works for everybody. That's what our focus is. So this is our idea of ethics as design science. One Community is what we've created from this space. It doesn't mean that we've got it all figured out. We know it's the best. It just means that we've put a lot of time and energy into thinking what could be the best that we've come up with, and we're open sourcing it, so hopefully if people have ideas that are even better, that they'll be able to use what we create to implement those as well. And yeah, this is world change according to One Community. So with that said, thanks for watching the end. If you'd like to see specifics, details of everything that our all-volunteer team has created in the last week, visit our written blog. If you would like to see the specifics, the details, all the open source content, things that are happening in the background of this video that I talk about, visit our website. And of course, if you'd like to help out, number one, like and subscribe. If you'd like a weekly dose of positivity and world change in your inbox, in your email inbox, subscribe on our website, or like and subscribe and just ring the bell here on our YouTube channel. Of course, if you'd like to stick around for another couple minutes, helps our algorithm out, so that's the easiest thing. And visit our helping page if you'd like to see all the other ways to help us out. And yeah, stick around for a couple more minutes, watch the bullet points and all the major components of our project and our new video. Probably last time I'm going to say that. And until next week, we will, of course, keep on keeping on. Thank you.
The One Community approach to highest good housing is eco-artistic home building that is affordable, sustainable, do-it-yourself duplicable, resource and space efficient, and consists of 7 different sustainably constructed village models. One Community is also creating an open-source duplicable city center. It is designed to be LEED Platinum certified, provide 12 guest rooms, dining for over 150 people, and laundry and recreation space for over 300 people, all while saving money, time, space, and resources. One Community's approach to highest good food is duplicable almost anywhere, scalable for different needs, more biodiverse and nutritious, part of forwarding a global open-source botanical garden collaborative, and includes 9 different free shared and duplicable growing environments. One Community's approach to highest good education is designed for all age groups, adaptable to any schooling environment, inspiring and fun for all participants, includes national standards, all subjects, lesson plans, teaching strategies, learning strategies and tools, classroom design, and more. The One Community approach to highest good society is globally focused, individually enriching, cooperative and collaborative, includes a highest good network and application, 4 different economic models, and combines fulfilled living and true earth stewardship for the benefit of all people and all life on this planet.